Before we begin, two important points. First, we don't want your money. We just want you to join. Second, there's a real chance joining today will entitle you to receive a significant sum in the future. Curious? Let's begin. We are Initiative Q, a worldwide economic experiment, an attempt to overcome the biggest barrier to a modern payment network. For this to succeed, we need your help. Here's why. Today's payment systems were designed decades ago. They're vulnerable, slow, complex, and expensive. However, the technology for a safe, efficient, and cheaper-to-use payment system already exists. So why is it not happening? Why are we stuck in the past? It's a classic chicken and egg situation. No buyer will join a new network with no sellers, and no seller will offer a new payment option that no buyer uses. Initiative Q is overcoming this barrier. Here is the magic. We are creating a payment network that has its own dedicated currency. According to economic models, the value of a currency is proportional to its use. So if Q is widely adopted, its total value could reach trillions of dollars. To get people to join early, we are reserving currency for users today. The earlier you join, the more Qs will be reserved for you. As millions join, the adoption barrier is overcome, the network is enabled, its superior technology makes it popular, and as a result, the currency becomes valuable. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Don't miss your chance. Get invited and join Initiative Q now to secure your peace, safe and free.